Hey there hikers, it is day 19, I think, of our Bibbulmun Track end to end. We've just hiked out of Collie where we had a rest day yesterday. It was absolutely delightful. Shout out to the amazing crew at Black Diamond Lodge in Collie. Fabulous accommodation, we really enjoyed. We didn't do any video, which I intended to do, but we just didn't. We were busy with resupply and cooking and having a fun old time. So we are hiking out to Yabberup campsite this afternoon. We've got about 16.5 kilometres to go, having taken the almost 3 kilometre spur trail out of Collie, and we'll catch you down the trail. Hello, Cockalocker. Hello, beautiful. What are you doing? We're trying to get a decent photo of you, gorgeous. Hi. We've just hiked up to Yabberup shelter, under sort of 20 kilometres inclusive of spur trail from the lovely town site of Collie. We are very happy to be here. Yay for Yabberup.